Hello guys, welcome to my blog. So in this blog I have created my GMB rank with Varun Kumar Riat and want to discuss more about that. As you can see, this is the GMB rank with Varun Kumar Riat. I've just created it 6 days ago. So it's appearing now on GMB and I want to rank it for 20 keywords. Location is sector 28, Gurgaon, house number 75. So that is the address which I put here, and then I put few photos of mine, inside photos, outside photos, services I put 20 keywords, address I put sector 28, directions, phone number I put my 9878219504, and all these things are there. So it got approved in 30 minutes, and one post also I put rank with Varun Kumar Riat. If you want to rank your website, or you want to make a video, or you want to any other service, then you can contact me. So these are all the details. So here in the services, they are the keywords. So it's taking a bit of time. I put about 20 keywords in the primary services: video editing agency, SEO agency in sector 20 Gurgaon, SEO expert in Gurgaon, SEO services, CapCut video editing, short form reel editing, etc. All these keywords. So you can see this is the bookings, this is the services, this is the products. One product also I put 5,000 rupees GMB approval, and this is the scanner for GMB. It will take you to your GMB. This is the product I have put. It's for 5,000 rupees GMB service, and other products I am slowly putting. These are services. In services I will put one more keyword, you can see. And guys, if you need anything else, then please contact me. My number is 9878219504. Varun Kumar Riat, rank with Varun Kumar Riat in Gurgaon. So guys, thank you and keep watching.
Piroca pediu pra